Welcome to our channel. In this video, we explain gift card activation for all major brands, step by step, so you can use your card confidently and without confusion. Step 1. Understand how activation works at purchase. From most major brands, gift cards are activated automatically at the checkout. The cashier scans the card and the balance is loaded instantly. Always check your receipt to confirm the activation and the correct amount. Step 2. Review the instructions on the back of the card. Each brand may have slightly different rules. Some cards are ready to use immediately, while others require online activation or account registration before the balance becomes available. Step 3. Locate your card details. You will usually need the card number and the PIN or security code. Scratch the protective strip gently to reveal the PIN, making sure not to damage or remove any digits. Step 4. Activate the card if required. Visit the official website listed on the card or call the activation phone number provided. Enter the requested information carefully and follow the on-screen or automated instructions until you receive confirmation. Step 5. Verify the balance. Once activation is complete, check your balance online or through the brand's app. This ensures the card is fully active and ready to use for purchases. Step 6. Protect your card and information. Keep the card and receipt in a safe place and never share photos or codes online. Major brands will never ask for your PIN through messages or emails. By following these steps, you can activate and use gift cards from all major brands safely and easily. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our future content.